Other benefits when you qualify for DTC. Qualifying for the Disability Tax Credit, DTC, is a gateway to several other federal programs, credits, and benefits in Canada. The specific programs available depend on your personal circumstances, but they generally fall into the categories of income supplements, tax credits for expenses, and long-term savings plans. Related benefits and credits. Canada Disability Benefit, CDB. A new tax-free monthly payment for low-income working-age Canadians with disabilities. Eligibility for the DTC is required to receive this benefit. Registered Disability Savings Plan, RDSP. A long-term savings plan for a person with a disability. DTC eligibility is required to open an RDSP, which can receive matching grants and bonds from the government. Child Disability Benefit, CDB. A tax-free monthly payment for low- and middle-income families who care for a child under 18 who is eligible for the DTC. Canada Workers Benefit, CWB. Disability Supplement. A refundable tax credit for low-income working individuals. Those eligible for the DTC can receive an additional supplement, Canada Caregiver Credit, a non-refundable tax credit for individuals who financially support a spouse, common law partner, or other dependent with a mental or physical impairment. If the person you support is approved for the DTC, you don't need additional medical documents to apply. Home Accessibility Tax Credit, a non-refundable tax credit for renovations to make a home more accessible for someone eligible for the DTC. Home Buyers Plan, HBP. If you or a related person is eligible for the DTC, you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to use the HBP to withdraw from your RRSP to buy or build a home. Refundable medical expense supplement. An additional tax credit for individuals with low income and high medical expenses. The DTC can help qualify you for this supplement. Federal excise gasoline tax refund. A refund on a portion of the federal excise tax on gasoline for individuals with a permanent mobility impairment who cannot safely use public transportation. Provincial and territorial benefits. Many provincial and territorial programs and credits require DTC eligibility. For example, in Ontario, the DTC can help with eligibility for the Assistive Devices Program, the Ontario Disability Support Program, ODSP, dental care, and the Ontario Drug Benefit Program. Other potential benefits. Retroactive payments. If you qualify for the DTC for previous years, the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, may adjust your past tax returns, which could result in a one-time lump sum payment. Increased deductions. Eligibility for the DTC can allow for increased tax deductions for certain expenses, such as childcare expenses. Reduced trust taxes. For those with family or other trusts, the DTC may result in reduced taxes. How to maximize your benefits. Apply even without taxable income. It is recommended to apply for the DTC even if you do not have taxable income, as approval is the gateway to many other benefits. Follow, like, and share for more amazing contents.